Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start making money on Ysense. If you're interested in earning some extra cash online with Ysense, then I recommend to stay tuned until the end of this video. But what exactly is Ysense? Ysense, found at ysense.com, describes itself as a global community with multiple earning options. The main ways to earn on this site are paid online surveys. You essentially get paid for taking surveys and influencing products and services. You get cash offers, which you get paid for trying products, downloading apps, or signing up for sites. And we also have the referral program, which you can earn up to 30% of what your referrals make. So in essence, Ysense allows you to earn money in your spare time by testing products, taking surveys, and referring friends. I must also mention that it's free to sign up and easy to get started, so let's walk through the sign up process. Getting started with Ysense only takes a minute. Just go to their homepage and click the sign up for free button. They'll ask you to enter some basic information like your email and then choosing a password, agree to the privacy policy and then hit continue. Once you're signed up, you'll see your main account dashboard. This displays available surveys, offers, your account balance, profile, settings, and more. It's laid out very clearly and easy to navigate. Now let's look at how to start earning by taking these surveys. One of the main ways to earn money with Ysense is by taking online surveys. Here are some key things to know. There are hundreds of surveys available paying 25 cents to $5 per each. Each one of the surveys will take between 5 to 30 minutes generally. You also need to meet survey criteria based on your demographics, and you can also unlock surveys by answering profile questions. So let's quickly see how it exactly works. When you click on surveys, you'll see a list of available options. However, most of the surveys are initially locked, and if you want to unlock them, then you need to fill out your survey profile answering questions the site will use to match you with the right surveys. For example, I can earn up to 25 cents just for updating my profile details like age, gender, location, etc. And this also unlocks additional surveys that pay out way more. There are also quick 1 to 2 cent surveys like daily poll that anyone can take to start earning. And like I said, once your profile is built up, you'll qualify for more surveys that match your demographics. Then you just browse and complete ones that interest you. Taking advantage of cash offers. In addition to surveys, Ysense also offers a ton of cash offers that can earn you money. You can download apps and get paid to sign up for websites, watch advertisement videos, get cashback for shopping, and receive bonuses for referrals. For example, you can earn $5 just for signing up for a music service, or even more for boosting your credit score. Some offers range from a few cents to up to $50 for completing certain actions like app downloads, free trials, referrals, and more. You simply browse the available offers and complete the ones that appeal. It's very easy, passive income potential. Once you've earned some money from your surveys, offers, and referrals, you'll want to cash out your balance. Ysense offers a variety of gift card and payment options like Amazon, Starbucks, PayPal, and more. To cash out, go to rewards and select your preferred option. The minimums can range from $10 to $50 depending on the method. PayPal and Payoneer allow you to cash out for straight funds. For the highest payments, I recommend using PayPal, which goes up to $250. And that's the simple process for withdrawing your funds. Just cash out whenever you hit the minimum threshold. Next up, we have the referral program. In addition to surveys and offers, Ysense has a referral program where you can earn up to 30% of your referrals earnings for life. All you need to do is share your unique referral link, and when someone signs up through your link and starts earning, you'll also be getting a percentage of what they make. So for example, if you refer someone and they earn $100, you would also get $30 added to your balance for doing absolutely nothing. The key here is referring active users who actually earn, and you can share your link on social media or website, email, etc. These referrals can become a great source of passive income earnings that really adds up. And now for some tips on how you can earn more. If you want to maximize your earnings with Ysense, then I advise you to complete your profile to fully unlock the better surveys. Also, you should always check for new offers frequently as they change almost daily. Cash out often instead of letting balance accumulate over time. You must stay active by logging in and earning daily if possible. Remember to use the referral program, refer friends, share it on social media, or add link to your website. The key here is being active and tapping into all different earning methods consistently. The more time you put in, the more you'll earn. It's really simple as that. So in summary, Ysense provides an easy and legitimate way to earn extra money in your free time. It could potentially easily provide you with a couple $100s a month from surveys, offers, and referral that require little to no effort. In my opinion, it's definitely worth signing up if you're looking to make some spare cash from home. Have reasonable expectations and put in consistent effort over time. If you found this tutorial to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the future videos that we make. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.